So the legalization in Canada, what does that bottom line mean for your business?
It's an exciting day. I mean, this is like the end of prohibition for alcohol. We're taking a market that already exists. It's a huge market. Deloitte's estimates about $6.5 billion today in the black market, gray market, and can grow to 8 to 10 billion in Canada with legalization. And that's across all different types of product forms, and it'll take some time for the black market to convert to legal, but it's really an incredible day and really the beginning.
An interesting analogy, prohibition and alcohol. How much of this is for essentially purposes of altering your mind as opposed to medicinal or other purposes?
Well, today the legal market has been all medicinal prior to this, and as you see countries rolling out in Europe, Latin America, everywhere else, it's focused on medicinal, but really recreational tends to follow after that. Once recreational becomes legal, it becomes the majority of market. And really there you are looking at replacing other products like beverage alcohol.
So which industries can this disrupt the most? We focus a lot on, say, the beverage industry, but what other industries can it?
Pharmaceuticals. If you think about opioids and the opioid crisis, they're talking about marijuana now being an exit drug. It used to be considered a gateway drug, right? So there's a big disruption there for opioids, pain medications, epilepsy medications, stress relief, sleep disorders, when it comes to tobacco as well, and then clearly beverage alcohol. But if you look at beverages, even beyond that, there's a whole other area. Everyone's focused on THC, which is the cannabinoid that gets you high, that's psychoactive, but there's over 100 different cannabinoids in the plant. And the next popular one is called CBD, cannabidiol, and it actually has a lot of medicinal benefits. And if you put that into beverages, you can have sports recovery drinks, all sorts of other types of categories.
What are the costs and what are the margins?
Right now, I mean, no one's at scale yet, but if you look at when everyone builds out their facilities, including ourselves, we expect our cash cost of production to be below $1 a gram. And I think all of the bigger scale producers will be in that range. Smaller craft producers will obviously be higher. And then the current selling cost on average is about $9. For organic is about $12, so it's a 30% premium. But I expect that to come down as you have more production come online in the next 18 to 24 months. So you will see price compression, but we'll be able to maintain our organic premium.
I was talking to a hedge fund guy a couple weeks ago who was looking at like the next opportunity, and he was choosing between cannabis and Bitcoin, or blockchain, I should say, and he just didn't want to do cannabis. He just felt like it was just a little bit too risky. It wasn't proven yet. What do you feel like we're going to need to see for those hedge fund guys to feel like it's a proven business?